In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Opus Clip as a social media manager. If you manage content for clients and want a faster way to turn long videos into short-form posts, Opus Clip can help streamline that workflow. It's especially useful for creating clips, reviewing which ones have the strongest potential, and then publishing them across different social platforms from one place. To get started, open Opus Clip on your computer and sign into your account. Once you're inside the platform, you'll be ready to begin working with client content. The first thing you'll do is upload a client video using the upload option. Make sure you're selecting the correct video file, since this will be the source material Opus Clip uses to generate shorter clips. After the upload is complete, click Get Clips in one click. This tells Opus Clip to automatically analyze the video and create short-form content from it. Depending on the length of the video, this may take a little time, so give the platform a moment to process everything properly. Once the clips are generated, review them carefully. This step is important because even though the platform does the heavy lifting, you still want to make sure the clips match the client's message, tone, and goals. As you look through the results, compare the clip scores to identify the best content. These scores can help you quickly spot which clips may perform well, making it easier to prioritize what should be posted first. When you've found a clip you want to use, click the calendar icon below that clip. This takes you into the publishing workflow. From there, connect a social media account if you haven't already done so. After the account is connected, select the platform where you want to publish. This is where you choose the destination for the clip based on the client's strategy and audience. Next, schedule or publish the clip. If you're planning content ahead of time, scheduling is a great option because it helps keep your posting calendar organized. If the content is time-sensitive or ready to go immediately, you can publish it right away instead. Then repeat the process for additional client content. This is what makes Opus Clip especially useful for social media managers handling multiple videos or ongoing content production. You can move through the same workflow again and again to build out a consistent stream of short-form posts. Finally, click Analytics to review performance. This helps you understand how the content is doing so you can improve future decisions and refine your strategy over time. You can use Opus Clip to create, schedule, and manage short-form content for multiple social media platforms.